these paintings have sold. So I've done like little quotes on the back. I'm just going to package them up in like some like tissue paper and then like a sticker saying thank you. I'm done. So just wrap them all up together. I've just been on a walk and now I'm going to do some vinyl paintings. So yesterday I just did like a layer of white so it'd be easier to like paint over. So I'm going to do like a sketch and then paint it. I think I'm doing like a watermelon one, so do like watermelon sugar. So I just did loads of like watermelons and then write watermelon sugar. So I just done a light sketch for this. You can't really tell on the camera, but I just drew like loads of watermelons and I'm going to paint it, and then at the end, either in white or black, I'm going to write watermelon sugar on this one. And on this one, I'm going to do the Friends logo. So I'm going to draw this like across. That won't take long because all I need is a pen and then just like red, yellow and blue paint for the dots. So I'm going to do that one first and then start on the watermelon. I probably won't sell the Friends one because I'm not too sure if you can sell stuff like that, but I wanted to do one anyway for my room because I'm literally obsessed with Friends. Like I'm always watching it, so I thought I'll just try it out onto this. So I like painted the whole thing black and then I'm just going to write it on it in pen. So I'm going to do that now and I'm going to include a time lapse while doing it. I'm also watching Mamma Mia again. I keep on watching it. I've watched like the first and second one so many times in the past week because it's been added to Netflix. So I've been like watching it along because it's kind of like one of the films that I get a lot done while I'm doing it. I don't know why. I always like be productive when I do it, so I'm trying to like watch it a lot and I never get bored of it either. So I'm going to carry on watching this and do these vinyl paintings.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flats even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay? Even when you wanna walk away, when times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down, I don't wanna let you down.
This is what the painting is looking like so far. I need to do a lot, so I've just done like the first layer. I've started to add the pen here and I needed to like go over all this and add loads of little details, but this is just a start. I can't wait to see it finished because it's actually been so fun to do it. So this is what it looks like right now. I don't know when to finish it. I don't know if to try and carry on now or tomorrow because I need to do so much things. So I'm going on holiday next Thursday because it is now on. We only found out like the other day that it's safe to go. So we're gonna go. So I need to like pack everything. I've got everything out. I just need to try everything on and pack. So I might try and get that done tonight because that's like a big job. And I need to do some like commissions and just get like bits ready for when I come back. So I get everything done before I go, and then when I come back I can start over with like new things that I need to do. So I think I'm gonna pack now. I'll do like some like little clips of like me packing, like what I'm packing. So I'll see you in the next clip. I'm gonna start packing some of my stuff. I don't even really know what to take, so I just got a bunch of everything. I think I'm just gonna add a time lapse of me doing it. I might like film a few clips in the middle of everything, but I'm gonna try and like get as much as I can done and like get most of it packed so I don't have to worry about it like the next few days.
I don't wanna let you down.
So far I've packed all my bikinis, quite a few, because that's probably what I'm gonna be wearing the most. So I'm gonna like pack up like the shorts and stuff. And I've got quite a few different bandanas because I wear them a lot on holiday because it tends to like burn on my head. So I've got like different bandanas, and then I need to like pack on with my shorts and like tops and stuff. I just need to make sure I've got enough clothes. Are you barking at me? I'm going for a week. I'm going from Thursday till Thursday, and I like arrive about 8 o'clock at night, so I don't really need that much clothes for then. So I don't even know how many outfits that I need because I'm going to be wearing like a bikini for most of the time. So I don't know what to pack because I always pack like not enough instead of like too much, but I don't know what to pack. So I'm just going to try and like sort everything out today, how many like, outfits that I've got all together, and like put them out to like see what top matches each short and stuff. And she's been playing with me for the whole thing. So I keep on having to like throw in her toy every 2 seconds while I'm packing. So that's why I'm not doing like a proper like filming. I'm just doing like a time lapse because all you can hear is her barking at me and throwing a toy.
I don't wanna mess around. You're the only one I want there at the end of my story.
So I've just got everything else, and I've made the same mistake I could do every single holiday, and I didn't bring enough clothes. And I've got like 11 outfits for 7 days, but then I'm normally like change the outfit twice in a day, so like a daytime outfit and a nighttime outfit, and I've only got 11. So I need to try and figure out what else I'm going to take as well. So I'm going to show you like, everything that I've got out. I've just got like the tops out for now, and then I've got like different shorts, but you can wear like shorts like twice, and I'll be like around the pool in the day. I just need like shorts for, like the nighttime stuff. And I've got like a jumpsuit, but I don't really wear that kind of like, I normally just wear like shorts and stuff. So I've got like about 5 shorts, and I hope it's enough because I'll probably wear them like maybe like twice, but you can wear them more than once because they go with any outfit. So I'll just show you like all the tops that I've got out. So I've got like different tops for like different kind of like outfits. So like, I've got like some for the day and then some for the night, and some that can be used for both. So now I need to try and decide what else I'm going to take. So I'm going to pack everything that I got so far, and then try and see what else that I need, if I get to my wardrobe, or if I need to buy a new top before I go. So I'm going in like less than a week, so I've really only got this weekend to go and get the stuff. So I need to try and figure out because I haven't got a clue. I'm so bad at the packing because I always like not bring enough at all, and then I'm on holiday, I'm like, what do I wear, because I don't know what to pick. So I need to try and figure it out and try and fit it in the suitcase as well.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning.
So I've just realised I've got 6 shorts, so I've got enough shorts. So I need to try and find some other tops to take with me because I want to have like a choice of what to wear. So I've got all my shorts out, so I'll show you the shorts that I'm going to take. So I've got like different colour shorts. So like these like more like to go like plain tops. And then like this, like these 2 can go with anything, and that one as well. So I've got a choice to pick. So I've got 6, I'm going for 7 days, so that should be enough. I think like these probably might wear mostly for the pool and stuff, but I think they go like nice with like a plain top. I've got like a black top that'll go with this, and I think that can just go with like a bikini. So yeah, this is the shorts. My suitcase is also filling up, so I'm gonna try and fit like everything in, and hopefully that everything will fit, because I don't know where else I'm gonna put it. And I need to take like some art supplies as well, but I'm gonna try and fit that in like a bag somehow, but I'm gonna try not to take as much. But I normally take quite a few art supplies with me, but I think I'm just gonna take like a sketchbook and like a pen and just like sketches, because I can't go about with doing art. So this is my case, and it's already full. I need to put makeup in and like a few more tops, and it's struggling to close, and I think I need to put more stuff in it as well. So I'm going to have to use someone else's suitcase to put the extra bits in because this is so full. But at least I've packed everything, so I just need to put more tops in. Makeup on the last day, but I might just put that in my backpack. But I don't know how full it is. gonna try and close it. And that's done. So I just packed the last bits, like all the underwear and stuff. I brought like loads of socks because every holiday I always run out of socks and end up having to buy more. So I just packed all that, and I'm going to try and find some more tops to put in the suitcase, and then that is me all packed. I think I've got enough. I should be able to have enough because it's going to be really hot, so I'm going to be wearing bikinis most of the day because for this holiday it's mostly just like a pool holiday. It's a relaxing one because most holidays we go on, we like go on walks everywhere, but it's going to be really hot and we're just going to be staying in the hotel for most of the time, and the beach, because the beach is like literally over the road and it's like an all-inclusive, so it's like how hot out, like whatever. So we're going to be like staying in the hotel for most of the time, so I can just wear a bikini and just like wear a bikini top and then wear like some shorts. So I don't really need that much, so hopefully I've got enough.
Down. I don't wanna lose you now.
Look how cool this is, with all like the like rainbow reflections. So for like half an hour I ended up just like sitting there and doing nothing, and I nearly fell asleep. But I need to do a few more things before I go to bed, so I'll show you what I'm doing right now. So I did these 2 letters for my mum's friend. So she recently had a little boy, so I did a G for his name to put in his room, and I've done an I for her daughter as well. So my mum's going to give them to her tomorrow, and I need to try and fix the back because she can use this side to like stand it up, but where it was like drying, it was like drying on tissue and it went all funny, and then it had to put like more paint on. So I'm just going to paint the back like maybe like pink, and on the back I just did a blue. You can't see the back anyway, it's just going to like stand up like this. So this is the blue and this is the pink. So I'm just going to like add like Mod Podge onto it as well, just to make sure it's like all like sealed. So I'm going to do that now before I go to bed. So this is the front. It worked out so much more better than the back. It went all good till this, but you can't see the back anyway. So I'm just going to try and sort that out. It doesn't really need to be that clean, it just needs to be like not as bad as this, just like pink. So I'm just going to do that now.
Will you stay even when you wanna walk away? When time.
So this is what it looks like finished. It's just like still drying in parts, but it's pretty much done. I'm going to go to bed now and take my makeup off. I'm so tired. So I'm going to end this video here, and I'll probably do another vlog tomorrow, so that'll be up soon. So thank you so much for watching and subscribe for more.